Welcome back to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to do a little cleanup on the cab subassembly here. We're going to add one component, and then we're going to make the exploded view, and then we're going to make the exploded view drawing.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a component. Actually, we need to do one other thing here, but we'll add the component, and it's the exhaust. So the semi-exhaust. If I can find it here, semi-exhaust. There we go. We're going to bring that in. I'll just put it over here somewhere. And notice that it's too short, so let's go ahead and edit that part. And you can just click on it and edit the part right here, open part. And we're just going to make it $1. Come on, here we go. And there's my part. Now, I think the easiest way to do this is going to go ahead and we'll go back to the boss extrude. And let's see what the cut is. That cut is there. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and we'll edit the boss extrude, edit feature. And just go ahead, let's go 4.5 instead. We'll hit OK. And notice everything else stays beautifully the same. If I look internally, I'm sure I can see that's there too, and that's okay. We don't really care if that's all the way down. It's not like it's a real exhaust pipe, so we'll leave that there, give it more structural integrity. So I'll just save this part up again, and then I'm going to go ahead and open its drawing. So let's open its drawing, and that guy was way bigger, so now we're just going to have to change the scale. So let's go right-click on sheet, right-click on sheet format 1, and go to properties, and let's change the scale instead of 1:1. Let's go to 1/2. That way, at least we can see it better. We'll make these a little bit more beautiful, and that looks good enough. We'll leave it like that. I'll hit OK. Let's save. And of course, we'll do a save as, and we'll save this as a PDF. Save, and we'll hit yes because there's already one of those guys. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and close that guy up, and we can close this guy as well. And we're going to say yes because we want to update here, and that looks a lot better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the assembly in there. Now, I want 2 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the Control key and click and drag over there, and that just brings in another one, which is a wonderful thing to do. And all I'm going to do is grab, let's do mate. And then what I want is this face, which it already has, and I want this face right there. Oops. Now let's see here. Clear selections. All right, let's see if we can grab this face. Oh, probably not. So let's grab this arc there. Yeah, like that. Let's see if we can grab the arc. Oh, what we can do is click on the triangle there, and we'll grab that. Cut extrude. We'll click on the sketch of that cut extrude, and we'll grab. Let's see, on the sketch there. We should be able to grab the circle. Oh, right click and show. And now I can grab that circle there on the mate. I should be able to grab that circle. I don't know why it's not letting me. Well, let's see if I can grab that cut. It doesn't like that. So let's see here. Well, we'll play around with this a little bit. Do we get this? There we go. I concentric there. That seemed to like that better. And then I grab that part of my, the sketch of my part. And I'll grab, yeah, I can either grab that circle or that center. Let's grab that circle. And then we'll make them concentric. That's great. And then I will zoom in a little bit tighter. And grab that face and that face. Make them coincident. And we have it. We'll do the same thing up here. Now I could have just mirrored it, but let's do that again. So again, what I had to do was I went to the sketch of my cab and I right-clicked on the sketch and I showed it. So now I can hide it, but I'd rather show. I need to show it for this one. So I'll right-click and I'll show that. And then for my mate, I want that circle and that circle on the bottom. And there it is. They are coincident. I grab the edge. Let's get rid of the edge and zoom in a little tighter. There we go. That's better. So we can make it concentric. There we go. And then I'll grab this face and that face. Hit OK. And there we have the cab. So let the OK. Those mates look good. Now, technically, these guys could rotate, and I should put one more. Let's put one more mate in here. So I will add one more mate because I don't want them to rotate. So let's go ahead and click on this. And there's my cab. And let's do the front plane there. And let's do the exhaust front plane. And let's just make sure they're parallel. We'll do the same thing with the other one. So I'll do the cab front plane and the exhaust. The new exhaust. Where's the other dogs? We got that one. Let's get this exhaust. It's front plane. And we'll just make sure they're parallel. And that way they won't rotate or anything for us. Hit the check on the mate. And hit save. Say yes, save all. And we'll go, and now we will go ahead and create an exploded view. And let's go ahead and close these guys up. It'll be easier to deal with that. Exploded step 1. We're going to go ahead and pull those dowels out. So we'll grab the dowel, oops, zoom in a little bit. Grab the dowel, grab the dowel, grab the dowel. I like to grab on these arrows, pull that down. Let's pull that down 2. Hit the tab, and that pulls it down 2. Hit the done. And then let's go ahead and grab both of the exhausts. And you can grab them this way if you'd like. It's just as easy. And let's just grab these in the X direction. We'll pull it this way. And let's pull them out 3 inches that direction. Hit the tab. That pulls them out 3. Hit the done. And there we have it. There is my exploded view. I'll hit save again. And I haven't made drawing for this, so I'll just click on the triangle there, or the triangle by the new, and make drawing from part assembly. I'll hit the A, NCA is great, like that. And then I do want my isometric exploded, so I'll just bring that guy in there. And let's make it a little bit bigger. Well, that was good. I don't really need hidden lines. I don't need to see them. We'll just leave that there. Okay. And I'll right click on sheet format for properties. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I think half is probably fine. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Yeah, half looks good. And then of course I'll do tables, build materials, click on the view. Top level only is good. Oops. There we have it. Bring that guy in there. Right click on the column, and then we'll delete that column, and then we'll click on the cross with the arrows, and then move that over there. Hit OK. And then we'll go to auto balloon, grab my view. That looks pretty good. And OK. Now we'll just move these guys where they make the most sense to make it look beautiful. I can move my view over a little bit, and there we go. Wonderful little drawing there. Hit OK. And then I'll just go ahead and right click sheet format, edit sheet format, and of course I will put in my name. Oops, wrong thing. Escape. Grab the drawn, and all caps name. Come on, here we go. Now too many things. There we go. Put my design in here. And I like that. Change the state. I change the font size. Come down here. Put semi-cab stuff assembly. There we go. So then I'll just click over here, right click sheet format, edit sheet, and that looks good. I'll hit save. And cab details, that's good enough. We'll leave it like that. That's fine. And then I will do save as. Save this to PDF. Hit save. And there we have it. Our cab subassembly with our new, with our exhaust in there as well. So if I actually, let's do one more thing. Let's go ahead and open up the, the nice thing about this, if I open up the semi and trailer assembly, whoops, let's not do that yet. If I open up the cab assembly, the whole assembly for the semi, there we go. If I do the whole semi assembly, now it should update. Yep, we'll rebuild it because it's also got those guys in there. And matter of fact, let's go ahead and update the exploded view. Oh, it's making a new one. So let's see if we can edit the old. Well, let's see here. I'm gonna have to figure out that. I have to remember how to do that. All right, so we won't do that. But let's close this guy up instead. So now once we open that guy up, or save that guy up, once we open up the semi assembly, once I open that guy up, it's going to ask me if I want to rebuild it because I have something new in there. I'll say yes, I do want to rebuild it, and that puts in those 2 exhaust pipes in there, which is great. I'll do that. I'll just save. And even though those didn't get fixed in the exploded view, I can go back and hopefully fix that later. So I'll do, and then one more thing I could do is if I now save this guy, and then I go open my other part, which is of course the semi and trailer assembly. If I open that guy up, the beautiful thing about SolidWorks is it's going to ask me to rebuild it, and of course I want those exhausts in there, and I did put them in, so that's great. Save, and that's it. I can, if I go up and clean up those other drawings, but that's it. Cleaning up some of the stuff I forgot, making some drawings. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.